Good morning, everyone. The time is now 6:30 a.m. This is the moment when fishermen return to the shore after fishing in the reservoir. What you see here is one of the fishermen who went out to catch fish earlier this morning. He is now heading to their office, bringing along the entire catch. The fish will be weighed there before the next step of the process. As you can see, these fish are still alive. They are freshly caught, straight from the reservoir. Look closely. These fish are still alive, moving and struggling with life. Over there, you can see two more fishermen approaching the shore in their canoes. They are making their way back to land after their time on the water. Let us take a closer look at the catch they have brought with them. This canoe does not have many fish either. There are only a few tilapia. It seems that today many fishermen did not have a good catch. He is also taking his catch to the fisheries office. That is impressive. Today he is one of the lucky ones. He managed to catch many fish. This large fish is a catla. Every large fish caught by these fishermen is placed into this blue tank. This is done to separate them and prepare them for selling. This is a tilapia, a fish known for its good taste. Because it is still early in the morning, there are no buyers yet. The rainy weather has now cleared. Another fisherman is approaching the shore in his canoe. Here, he has caught two giant snakehead fish. You can now see this highly aggressive species. The giant snakehead is not a native fish species. It is an ornamental fish that does not belong in this reservoir. Because these invasive fish were released into the reservoir by someone, the population of native fish is now gradually decreasing. The reason is clear. Giant snakehead fish feed on the eggs of native fish species. As a result, native fish are unable to reproduce. That is why, no matter how many giant snakehead fish are caught, their numbers do not decline. They are extremely aggressive and cause serious harm to the native ecosystem. Fish species such as rohu and tilapia are being threatened by invasive fish like the giant snakehead. As you may have noticed today, the tilapia harvest is very low. The people of this village consume giant snakehead fish as food. They say the curry made from this fish is very tasty. According to the fishermen, this fish can grow to around 20 kilograms in weight. People from the village have now arrived to buy fish. After purchasing their fish, they go to the fish cutter to have it cleaned and cut. In front of us is the most skilled fish cutter in the village. He is now heading to his fish cutting station. Now he is about to cut a rohu fish. Watch his fish cutting skills. They are truly impressive. Watch how skillfully he removes the fish scales. Watch his fish cutting skills. He is truly skilled. He charges less than $1 to cut a single fish. This is a snakehead fish caught using a fishing rod. The snakehead must be handled carefully or it can bite. It has very sharp teeth, which can cause serious injuries.
Giant Snakehead.
People have bought tilapia fish. The fish cutter is now cleaning and cutting them. Now you can watch a skilled tilapia fish cutter. Stay with us and do not skip this part. This is an art.
Gini. The carry wet not can and ball. Put a ball now. I think I love that.
You can see 2 more canoes approaching the shore. It looks like they did not catch many fish either. But look at this beautiful red fish. I believe it is a type of carp. The fish cutter steps away for a short break. Soon the cutting area fills with crows. They gather quickly, fighting among themselves to feed on the leftover fish pieces. You can see how many crows have arrived at the spot where the fish were cut. For them, this is a good meal today. Crows feeding on fresh reservoir fish. The fish cutter's break is now over. Once again, he is ready to continue cutting fish. In a single day, he cuts more than 50 kilograms of fish. The people of this village are truly fortunate. They have the chance to eat fresh fish straight from the reservoir. Clean, natural, and free from chemicals. Even the fish cutting takes place in a natural environment. That itself is something very valuable. I hope you enjoyed and felt satisfied watching this video. Please take a moment to watch our other videos on the channel as well. Have a wonderful day.
Cái cậu đây cậu là gọi là gì nè hả sao nó cái gì không nó ngon gì hết Oke đi. Isso terlepas kena gini aku tu.
Dah wali dah.
ඔව් නෑ නෑ ඔයා කතාවක හින්දා මාත් ඉතින් අහම නැතිවා. ගියේ නෑ කිව්වා.